Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with a daily analysis. Today is Thursday, the 17th of June 2021. Time is 10:23 a.m. here in the UK. You're looking at an AUDJPY daily chart. In today's analysis, we're going to be looking for price action setups across all the pairs listed to the right here. So let's dive right into it. First is AUDJPY. We were looking at this one yesterday for a potential range trade. But yesterday's FOMC news has caused some pretty crazy move across the market, and pretty much all the trades we were looking at yesterday, none of them triggered, mind you, so they weren't lost trades, they were just potential trades that never triggered. So I'm going to take all of these ones off the list because they're no longer potential setups. And we'll just start again looking for new setups. With the big move yesterday caused by FOMC, we might be able to find some setups, although keep in mind that it is quite a slow and boring last few weeks in the Forex market. AUDUSD is actually approaching a pretty strong support area. This is in fact a very, very strong support area. Why is it very strong? Well, if we look back to the left, we can see that this has held very well for quite some time now. Now, when it got down to here last time, there were a lot of people talking about head and shoulders. They were looking to go short because you could see the head and shoulders pattern here. The head, the shoulder. So they went short on the break of the neckline. I am not a huge fan of head and shoulders patterns. I didn't go short. I, in fact, went long, but that didn't work out either. So, you know, both the long and short kind of failed here. But this time, it's approaching the support area again. It could very well hold again. So I'm looking for a long trade from this support area. That's just a standard long reversal trade. USDJPY is in a bit of a bearish trend. It's not a huge bearish trend, but it is moving a little bit bearish. It's hitting resistance right now, so there might be potential for a short continuation from this resistance area, although I'm not crazy about this setup. It's not a very strong bearish trend, which is why I'm not crazy about it. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'm unlikely to trade that. I'll post more information to the forum and the new Discord group, which is strictly for members only, on that trade if I do enter it. But like I said, I doubt I will. All right, EURUSD made quite a big move down yesterday into this support area. This is a pretty decent support area, not quite as strong as the AUDUSD one, but it is a decent support area, has some bounces from it. It is showing signs of stalling at the support area right now, although it did get pretty far below it. But it is pulling back now. There could definitely be a reversal from this support area. We'll just keep a close eye on it. I think it's early days yet, and it probably won't trigger until next week, given the fact that tomorrow is Friday, and slow markets overall. Despite yesterday's big move, it's overall slow markets. That was caused by news. Things might just kind of slow down again. I don't think we'll see a trade here until Monday, Tuesday, something like that. But we'll keep an eye on it regardless. EURUSD has finally broken out of the range. So I'm going to remove these range lines here. But there is no setup there. No. The long trade that was shared to the forum by, I can't remember which member shared it, but the long trade that was shared to the forum is going pretty well right now. So good work on that one. USDCHF has obviously had a major turnaround on yesterday's news. Ooh, USDJPY. This looks quite good. This is an extremely strong resistance area here on USDJPY. Price is stalling right on top of that resistance area. So there are a few potential things that can happen here. If it breaks through it, I might be looking for a long trade, but it doesn't look like it's going to break through it. Right now, it looks like it might reverse from here, which is the more likely scenario, and that's the scenario I kind of want to happen, to get into a reversal trade. So it would be a reversal trade very similar to this one here. I'd be looking for a short trade from this resistance area. Now there are a few options. I've been experimenting with new entry methods where instead of waiting for a break of the indecision candle, just enter right away. You tend to lose more trades that way if you enter. So you could enter right now. You tend to lose more trades if you enter that way, but the plus side is you get a way better entry, way better risk to reward ratio. So it kind of could theoretically even out by the end of the year. My testing shows that these kind of trigger entries tend to overall be better if you can stomach the losing trades. If you can stomach the losing trades, entering right now is better than waiting for a break of the indecision candle. You are going to take more losses, but you are going to get a better risk to reward ratio, because look at the risk to reward ratio here, 2.5R. Whereas if you enter here, smaller stop loss, because you just want to place your stop loss above that wick, 4R. So risk to reward ratio is far, far better. So there is potential to enter there. We'll discuss that in the forum in a little bit more detail for those of you who want to enter this trade. But that's pretty much it for the daily analysis, guys. So let's just do a really, really quick summary here. AUDUSD price approaching the support area. Gonna keep a close eye on this one, but it probably won't trigger till Monday and Tuesday. I can't give you an entry target or stop on this one because there is no indecision yet. It's not on support yet. This is just a potential upcoming trade. EURUSD, also a potential upcoming trade. Nowhere close to giving us indecision, so I can't give you an entry target or stop. EURUSD, similar to the rest, can't give you an entry target or stop because it's not really formed yet. We just need to wait and see how this closes. USDJPY, now this one I can give you an entry target and stop because we do have an active indecision candle. So there are two options. You could enter right now. If you enter right now, your entry would be roughly wherever price is now, which is around about the 110.66. Your target would be the 109.28 and your stop would be the 110.99. Or alternatively, you could wait for today's candle to close and then just do a standard entry just below the low of the indecision candle. Put your stop loss up here at the same spot and your target at the same spot. So that is it for today's analysis, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you for Tuesday's analysis.